If you've ever struggled to pick the right table saw for your needs, you're in the right place. Today we're ranking 5 saws from weakest to best so you can make a confident choice. Coming in at the bottom of our list is the NovelLife Mini Hobby Table Saw. This is a tiny, lightweight option built for very specific tasks. It's not here to rip through hardwoods or handle massive sheets of plywood. Instead, it's designed for delicate, precise hobby work. Think model making, small crafts, or light-duty DIY. The strengths of this mini saw lie in its portability and precision. It's easy to move, store, and set up on even the smallest workbench. Plus, it comes with multiple blade types so you can work with different materials like wood, plastic, or acrylic. If your projects are all about fine detail and small cuts, this saw will feel like a perfect fit. The trade-off, of course, is power. At only 96 watts, this machine can't handle thick or dense materials. Its blade size limits cutting depth, and the fence system isn't as refined as larger saws. Compared to the rest of the list, it's far less versatile and simply not built for heavier work. If you're a hobbyist or model maker, this saw could be just what you need, but if you're planning furniture builds or serious DIY, you'll want to keep watching. Links to all the products at the best price can be found in the description below. Next up is the GAOMON 10-inch table saw. This saw definitely steps up the power and blade size compared to our previous option, moving us into the territory of more general woodworking tasks. It's got a solid aluminum table, a decent motor, and a stand with good stability. The GAOMON does a fine job with standard cuts, and its adjustable bevel and dust collection ports are nice touches. It feels like a real table saw, not just a small hobby tool. For basic woodworking projects, it's absolutely capable. Where it falls short is in the details. The rip capacity isn't clearly documented, which makes it hard to compare with trusted brands. The bevel range is limited to 45 degrees, and independent reviews are scarce. It's also from a less established brand, which could mean less support in the long run. This is a decent step-up option for light to moderate projects, but the lack of proven track record holds it back. If you're on a tight budget and want a full-size saw, it might be worth a look. And before we move on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our next reviews. In third place, we have the VEVOR 10-inch table saw with stand. This saw offers solid specs, a powerful motor, a generous rip capacity, and a bevel range far wider than most in this price range. Plus, it comes with a foldable stand for easy storage. The wide bevel range is a standout here, allowing for cuts from -60 degrees to +60 degrees. That's a lot more flexibility than most saws in this list. It's also fairly compact and portable, making it a good choice if you need to move your saw around the shop or between job sites. The downsides? The frame is on the lighter side, which can affect stability during big cuts. It also has limited dado blade capability and fewer reviews than the big-name brands, so we have less feedback on long-term durability. This is a great pick for someone who values flexibility and portability but doesn't need industrial-grade sturdiness. If you work with a lot of angled cuts, this could be a surprisingly versatile option. In second place is the DeWalt DWE 7485. This is a very popular compact job site saw known for its precision and portability. With a high-speed motor and DeWalt's rack and pinion fence system, setting accurate cuts is quick and easy. Its portability is unmatched in this list, and the build quality is top-notch. The roll cage base and included accessories make it job site ready right out of the box. It's a saw you can set up quickly, get your cuts done, and pack away without fuss. On the downside, it can't use dado blades due to its short arbor, and the blade size is smaller than most others here. That means slightly less depth of cut, though for many projects it's not a deal breaker. This is the choice for pros or serious DIYers who want precision, speed, and a reliable brand name. It's a proven performer that won't let you down. And taking the top spot is the SKIL TS6307-00. This saw hits the sweet spot between price, performance, and versatility. It's powerful, has a large rip capacity, and unlike some others on this list, it can handle dado blades up to 5/8 inch. The folding stand, rack and pinion fence, and overall stability make it a pleasure to work with. It's also competitively priced, making it accessible for both beginners and more experienced woodworkers. The stock blade isn't the best, and the throat plate could be sturdier, but these are easy fixes. For the price, you're getting excellent capacity and functionality without major compromises. If you want one saw that can do a bit of everything and last you for years, this is the one to beat. If you're ready to upgrade your woodworking game, check out the top products from this list using the links in the description. And if you enjoyed this ranking, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.